At some point, the internet decided that the most exciting thing to watch wasn't explosions, plot twists, or celebrities doing dumb things. It was a pair of hands opening a box. Slowly, carefully, like the box might explode if rushed. Millions of people click. They wait. They listen to the plastic peel like it's a Grammy-winning sound effect. And somehow, this extremely normal activity became must-watch content. I'm Professor Everything, and today we'll be answering the question, when did unboxing become entertainment? Right here on Explaining Everything. Unboxing didn't start as entertainment. It started as proof. Back in the early days of online shopping, the internet was basically the Wild West, but with more dial-up noises. People didn't trust sellers. You'd order something online and genuinely wonder, is this a phone or a rock? So people started recording unboxings to show, hey, I ordered this thing, and look, it actually arrived. It exists. I'm alive. These early unboxing videos were awkward. No background music, no ring lights, just shaky camera footage and someone breathing heavily while opening bubble wrap like it personally offended them. But then something weird happened. People didn't just watch to verify the product. They stayed. They watched the entire video. They rewatched parts. They commented things like, nice unboxing, which is wild because nothing happened. But the internet had accidentally discovered something powerful. Anticipation is entertaining. You're not watching the product. You're watching the moment before the product. That split second where anything could be inside. Even though you already clicked the video titled iPhone 12 Unboxing, Silver, 128 gigabytes. Still, you wait. Let's be honest. Unboxing videos hit different when the sound design kicks in. The soft tear of plastic, the gentle slide of a lid, the foam lift that feels illegal to interrupt. At some point, unboxing stopped being visual content and became audio therapy. Nobody says it out loud, but we all feel it. You hear that crisp of plastic and your shoulders relax like you just paid your bills early. This is where unboxing quietly merged with ASMR without ever asking permission. Suddenly, creators were whispering, not because they had to, but because it felt right. Okay, guys, here we have the box. Why are you whispering? It's cardboard, but it works. Your brain goes, yes, this is calming, this is important, this is premium. Unboxing videos learned something Hollywood already knew. Sound creates emotion, even when nothing is happening. There's no story, no conflict, just layers being removed, which weirdly feels productive. You didn't clean your room, you didn't answer emails, but you watched a box get opened. And honestly, that counts. Here's where things get interesting. Unboxing became entertainment when it stopped being about what was inside and started being about who was opening it. Because let's be real, most people watching aren't buying the product. They're borrowing the experience. Unboxing videos let you feel like you own something without owning it. You get the thrill, the reveal, the slow inspection, all the dopamine, none of the credit card damage. It's luxury tourism, but for boxes. And creators mastered the art of subtle flexing. Oh yeah, this just arrived. No excitement, no bragging, just casual ownership, which somehow makes it worse. They don't say, this was expensive. They just place it gently on the table, like, this is normal, this is my life. And your brain goes, wow, good Good for them. I hate it here. But instead of leaving, you watch the whole thing. Because unboxing videos sell a feeling, control, cleanliness, a life where everything arrives new, untouched, and perfectly packaged. No clutter, no mistakes, just boxes that open smoothly. It's not about the product, it's about the fantasy. At some point, the unboxing became more important than the product itself. People stopped asking, "How is it?" and started asking, "Okay, but what's the packaging like?" Which is absolutely insane if you think about it for more than 5 seconds. The box went from being trash you throw away to a full-blown selling point. Brands noticed this and immediately went all in, designing boxes specifically for the camera. Magnets that snap shut like they're proud of themselves. Slow-lift lids that demand patience, and multiple layers that turn opening a charger into an emotional journey. And it works. Because if the unboxing feels premium, your brain decides the product must be premium too, even if it's just a very confident rectangle. Suddenly, opening the box is the experience, sometimes better than using what's inside. The box never glitches or breaks, it just opens perfectly, which is exactly why unboxing works. It's simple, satisfying, and still exciting even when you already know what's inside. So when did unboxing become entertainment? The moment we realized that anticipation is fun, sound is soothing, and watching someone else open a box is easier than dealing with our own responsibilities. Unboxing videos aren't about products. They're about feelings, calm, curiosity, and the small joy of watching something go exactly as planned. No drama, no twists, just cardboard, plastic, and vibes. And honestly, in a world that's constantly loud, messy, and unpredictable, sometimes watching a box open perfectly is exactly what we need. If you enjoy this video, or if you secretly enjoy watching boxes get opened a little too much, please like and subscribe. Also, if you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other bingeable channels. Thank you for tuning in, and join us next time here in the channel that answers all the why, what, who, where, and how questions you've always wondered about, here on Explaining Everything.